from AADS. Here, I'm going to explain the to-do chatbot from the Telegram using the bot father using the code Node.js. So, here is my code. The first line of my code indicates the importing Telegram bot library. Here, the Node Telegram bot library, which allows interactions with the Telegram bot API. And my second line of the code is the setting up the bot token, which we have to replace the token unique token from the bot father, which I will give clarity in the furthermore the video. And the next is the polling section, creates a bot instance and sets it to the polling mode, enables the bot to receive and process messages in the real time. Next is the task storage, the global object to store user task index by the chart id, a unique chart id which is provided. Next is the helper function to format the text, the function which I have used. The purpose of this is that converts a task array into the user friendly string format. If no tasks are present, then no task found, which I have introduced in the code. And next is how it works. Map adds the index plus 1 to each task, and the join is used to combine the task into a single string with the line break. Next is the message handler. The main usage of the message handler is message.chat.id. It's a unique id for the chat user used to identify and store tasks for the each user, which I have mainly used is the to-do list. Next is the message.text. The main usage of the text is sent by the user, the messages which were sent mainly by the user. Next is initialization of the task list for new users. Here I have used the if condition. It ensures each user has their own task list. If the user sends a message for the first time, the task list is initialized and an empty array in an array format which I have designed. Next is add task command. Here is the add task command. Slash add is mainly used extract the task um, to the list of the to do list checklist. We can say that. Next, it gives the confirmation as the green icon as the task added. If there is no task added, then it shows the error message as the pop-up. Next is list task command. Here I have used the main usage of the list task. It retrieves the user's task list. It's also I have designed in the array format as task and the list format. It retrieves the list and formatting using the format task. Next, it shows the paper like header tag, which formatted text list. Next is the um, delete task command. If it is unwanted, we can trim it or slice it using the strings command. It extracts the task number 1 based on the index and converts to 0 based on the fans in. Next is validate the task. If valid, it gives the out of range or something like error message. If valid, removes the task using the slice comma index. Task deleted using the dustbin symbol, which I have used. Next is the default response. If the message does not match any command, sends a default response with the list is the available command. This is how it shows. Let me show you the basic how I have used in the Telegram. Now, let me show you. Go to the files, and now I have introduced on the desktop mode. Here is my to-do list. Next, I'm directing to command prompt. Here is node todo.js, my file name and the node.js file. Clicking on enter. It's showing no command means our prompt is running. Next, click on and let me show you the bot father. Here is the start command. Next, it shows the message by default. Next is the new tab, new bot, which you have to keep the unique code. Okay, my bot name is to do bot. Next is user ID to do 02 underscore bot, which is the unique username ID for everyone. It shows gives the token which we have to replace. Here is my token. Here we have to replace it. Next is how it going to run. Let me show you here. Let me start my command start. Okay. It shows the add list delete which I have showed, right, using tick mark, dustbin, and the paper sheet start. Okay, sorry. Which way? Okay. Play it added to my list, and let me show you the list as well. Mm, List. Here is the task which I have introduced. Let me delete the list as well with the pro. Delete task number one. Here is no invalid disk usage, means the list is empty. Let me again add it. Add study here, and also I'll add one more. Add play here. Let me check my list of adding add-ons. List. Yes. Here you can see your the task which you have added in your checklist. This is how you have created your own chatbot using the Node.js Telegram chatbot, and this is how you have to run the code with the Node.js code. So thank you.